Kia's Valet Mode protects your personal information by disabling control of certain screens and buttons. To use Valet Mode, Kia Connect needs to be activated, and your driver user profile must be linked to your Kia Connect account. To activate Valet Mode, from the infotainment system home screen, press Valet Mode. Create a 4-digit password to turn on Valet Mode, and be sure to create a password that you'll remember. After you enter your password, you'll enter it a second time to confirm and start Valet Mode. A notification that Valet Mode is activated will also appear on the Kia Access app. Valet Mode locks the driver out of being able to access the infotainment system. Once Valet Mode is active, from the Kia Access app on your smartphone, you can view the time when you activated Valet Mode, the time when your vehicle's engine stopped, and the distance driven and driving duration. You can also view the highest vehicle speed since Valet Mode was activated. This information is also displayed on the infotainment system when you get back in your Kia. To turn off Valet Mode, enter the password again. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching.